Welcome to the Panseal installation video. In this video, we are installing the seal between the wall panel and ledge. Instructions for installing the wall panels are provided separately with the material supplied. Preparation is half the work, so whether you are a DIYer or professional, plan the installation. Ensure that the materials ordered with the wall panels are present and consider what additional equipment is necessary to complete the full installation. The sealing materials required for this first stage of the installation are the sealing strip profiles, Sealux N silicone, strip end caps and spatula, alcohol wipes and a miter box. A high grab polymer adhesive will provide an initial fix for the strips on the wall. Use 40mm slab nails for nailing the strips onto timber stud walls. 25mm masonry nails and a matching steel drill bit are required for fixing the strips onto cement-based walls. Other tools and materials required to install the sealing profiles and complete the installation of wall panels are a spirit level, a hammer and sealant gun, a hacksaw, measuring tape and pencil, a drill, handsaw or electric saw, a file and screwdriver, a knife, tissues, masking tape and a bohemian blade. Before the installation commences, lay a protective cover where required over the working area. Mark suitable locations on the walls where the strips can be nailed, such as partition studs. Also mark points where the strips are required to end. If a shower door is being installed after the installation of wall panels, the strips should extend to the outside face of the shower door wall profile. Check that the wall surfaces are clean and straight. It is critical the strips are installed in a straight line to accommodate the wall panels. Measure the length of each strip required. Miter cut the strips. In a three-sided installation, the middle strip will have 2 miter cuts and be installed first. Strips with 1 miter cut should be left longer than required, for now. Remove the saw phrase with a sharp blade. Locate the strip in position and ensure meeting strips in the corner are flush. If the outer leg of the strip does not rest on the ledge, tear off the inside leg. Mark the strip end points for cutting. Cut the strip ends square and remove the saw phrase. Notch each miter cut with a sharp blade so that a hole will form through meeting strips in the corner. This hole will provide a channel for the Sealux N to pass continuously from the ledge to the bottom edge of the wall panel and maintain a seal across meeting strips. If a shower door is being installed over the wall panels and the position of the shower door wall profile is known at this stage of the installation, that part of the sealing strip outer leg located directly behind the shower door wall profile should be notched, so the shower door wall profile may be fitted parallel against the wall panel. Clean the ledge using alcohol wipes or methylated spirits to ensure good adhesion with the Sealux N. Dry fit the strips in position. Apply 3 removable marks or 3 pieces of masking tape on the ledge to define the outside boundary of each strip. Remove the spatula and end caps from the end cap card. Insert the first strip to be installed upside down into 2 miter boxes. A simple alternative arrangement is to locate the strip between 2 lengths of timber. The green tape inside the profile is there by design and should not be removed. Rest the nozzle on the strip and apply a 400mm line of Sealux N into the strip. Flush fill the Sealux N across the strip with the spatula. You can add and redistribute the Sealux N as required. Continue this process in 400mm intervals until the strip is complete. With your finger under the nozzle for support and your fingertip against the wall for a guide, lay a line of Sealux N on the ledge, just inside the 3 marks previously applied. Apply a light line of high-grab polymer adhesive on the wall approximately 15mm over the ledge. Rotate the strip into position, fusing the Sealux N in the strip with the Sealux N on the ledge. Remove any surplus Sealux N located outside the strip end. Butter the Sealux N over miter cuts proud. This will ensure the Sealux N fuses across meeting strips. Install the remaining strips in a similar manner. The strips are bonded to the wall with a light line of high-grab polymer adhesive to provide an initial fix and prevent slippage during the nailing process. If the walls are in sound condition and time can be afforded to allow the adhesive to set and bond the strips permanently to the wall, nailing the strips to the wall will not be necessary. In this scenario, the strips might be installed the day before the installation of wall panels. In this installation, the strips are being nailed to the wall with 40mm slab nails. If the walls are cement-based, we recommend using 25mm masonry nails. In preparation for fixing the strips to the wall with masonry nails, drill deep pilot holes through the strip and into the wall using a steel drill bit to prevent the strips slipping and the plaster bursting during the nailing process. Whatever the fixing method, always ensure the strips are firmly fixed to the wall before loading them with wall panels. Fill the notched hole through meeting strips with Sealux N and extend the silicone up to seal the 2 meeting strip upstands. If required, fix the strip end caps. This concludes the first stage of the installation. The following slides explain how the joint between the ceiling profile and wall panel is managed during the second stage of the project when installing the wall panels. If a shower door is being installed over the wall panels, the ceiling profile can be notched with a sharp blade, if not done so already. If required, the wall panel corner trim profile should be notched to accommodate the ceiling profile upstand. Masking tape should be applied to overlap the strip and wall panel and then trimmed flush, using a bohemian blade to prevent smearing silicone during the sealing process. Ensure the masking tape does not extend in between the wall panel and trims. Just before mounting each wall panel onto the strip, apply a line of Sealux N inside the respective panel support leg on the strip. When all the wall panels are installed, pressure apply Sealux N into the joint formed between the wall panel and adjacent strip. Rub up the Sealux N smooth and carefully remove the masking tape. After the Sealux N has skinned over, give it a light rub with soapy water for a smooth finish. Remember, these are just general guidelines that reflect typical site conditions. We hope this first stage installation video has been helpful.